Hey guys! Welcome back to another tutorial. If you're new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. For today's Lightroom tutorial, I will show you how to recreate this look. If you want to download the preset, I will put a link in the description box for you to download. DNG file is protected by a password, and it will appear separately as a YouTube card on the upper corner of your screen. Password is divided into 3. Note: this is just a sample password. Combine all to unlock the download. For mobile user, to be able to see the password, make sure to use YouTube app instead of the browser. Here's the before and after photos using this Lightroom preset. Now let's get into Lightroom and let's get this edit started. We want to make this look as minimal as possible. First, go to our basic panel, and here we can raise our temperature to +7 and magenta tint to +5, exposure to +40, and contrast to +9. Then we gonna come down to our highlights and drop it down to -48. Then raise our shadows to +18, whites to -79, and our blacks to -16. Then drop the clarity to -10. What it does is it really soften out the entire photo. Put the vibrance to +17. Then let's go to curves, and pull up the midtones a little bit. Then put an anchor point here, and drag it down. Just like so. We're still missing some colors. That's where HSL panel's gonna come in. Let's start with red. Adjust hue to -8, saturation to +35, and luminance to +14. Then orange hue to +26 and saturation to -10. Click yellow, drag down the hue slider all the way to +100, saturation to +22 and luminance to +100. Let's get it straight to green saturation, put the slider to +17 and luminance to +58. We can't find any blues in our reference photo, but let's make a more natural looking blue. Go to aqua, adjust hue to -25 and saturation to -70. Then click blue, adjust hue to +36, saturation to -49, and luminance to +34. Colors are a little bit odd right now, but we will work it out in the end. Go to split tone and get straight to shadows. Find a tone between blue and aqua, about 193, and saturation to 9. Now go right down to our calibration panel, and that's where we're gonna fix our colors, especially the skin tones. Put red primary slider to +14, and saturation to -37, green primary to +26, saturation to -8, blue primary to -42 and saturation to +11. And we're almost done. Now let's go ahead and try this preset. Don't be afraid to make some necessary adjustment depending on your lighting scenario. Since this is a wedding preset, always check your skin tone, exposure, and shadows.
Remember when love was all that mattered? I do. Remember how I used to make you laugh until it hurt. Now those memories felt like thorns on a patch, a rose I can no longer touch. You're just another scar placed on my heart, a sign that we are made to be apart. And even though you might not be the one, I'm gonna miss you daily. We fought so hard, we dragged us down, and basically watched how we had drowned. And even though I know you're not the one, I'm gonna miss you daily. Just another scar placed on my heart, a sign that we are made to be apart. And even though you might not be the one, I'm gonna miss you daily. I'm broken, but I know I'll get over you. I'll try to focus on what's in front of me.